All right, before I start taking everything off, I'm going to test the coils out real quick. And to do that, you're going to need a digital voltmeter. I have this old Fluke 73 here. And the next thing you're going to need to do is remove the two primary coil leads, which are the small wires here, and this one's on the point over here. It's a green wire. So we're going to remove those. I'm going to take the coil completely off to make sure I don't have any grounding interference. I don't think you can do it on the motor without having some grounding interferences. So instead of taking everything off, I'm just going to place some plastic underneath it because I don't want to remove it from the boot if it's good. And hopefully that'll provide enough insulation. So your two spade connectors here and here, or I guess my hand's in the way, here and here are the primary coil, and they should read between 1 and 3 ohms. This is 1.5 ohms, so that is good. The next thing you need to check is go from either spade connector. So I'm going to go from this black one to this one is the bottom cylinder spark plug, and this needs to read between, hopefully you can see that, 3 and 10 ohms. So we are at 4.3 and 10 kilo ohms. We are at 4.57 kilo ohms. That is 4,570 ohms. So this is within tolerance. So this coil is good. So I'm going to remove the plastic and button everything back down and go to the next one. I'm going to lift up the coil just a little bit, place this underneath it to provide a little bit of isolation. And then I also have to remove this lead here. Alright, so hopefully you can see that. So we're going to go from this lead to the green one. Let's do it this way so maybe my hands won't be in the way. 1 ohm, so that's good low resistance. 1 ohm. Alright, now we're going to go from there to the top. 4.62, that's in kilo ohms, that's in between 3 and 10 kilo ohms. That is 4,620 kilo ohms. So we are within spec. So both of these coils are good to go. I don't need to replace them.